Hello everybody. I am Zachariah the Ghostwriter. Let's talk about road maintenance. Yes, you are going to deal with a lot of road maintenance in South Africa. I was driving from Cape Town to Johannesburg. Stop and go. Waiting time plus 20 minutes. Please be patient. They are going to allow other vehicles on the other side to proceed. So I see most drivers, getting frustrated in these type of situations because they spend more than an hour waiting. And that's why they become impatient. You see them now driving over the speed limit, trying to get to their destination while there is still time. Unfortunately, many get involved in horrible car accidents. And we lose our lives, I'm saying we lose our lives as South Africans because we are all in this. Sometimes you might not even be a driver. You might be sitting in the taxi and something happened to the taxi and you're gone. I've seen the other video now on TikTok whereby, they had to stop the taxi driver. And they made sure that passengers get out of the taxi. They said the driver was driving recklessly. And they are also mentioning that he's been under the influence. He speaks Sesotho. That means maybe he's driving from Johannesburg to Free State, or Bloemfontein, if I may say, or Free State, because Free State is a province, Bloemfontein is a city. You'll never know the destination, but you can tell that, they speak Sesotho, or maybe they even go into Lesotho. You'll never know. But the brother is under the influence. And they stopped him, they recorded him. They told him that you must know that when we say arrive alive, we are not just saying, we are not joking. We want you to arrive not in the casket. We want you to arrive to the destination that you are planning to go to. Now you can see how long we've been waiting here. Because sometimes when you talk about certain things and you don't show people things which do happen on our South African roads, it's like, man, you're just lying, man. We can't just stop for about 10-20 minutes and there is no vehicles which are passing. Surprisingly, that means they're still on their way. But we respect, when our construction companies are working hard to maintain our roads. You see now, we were waiting for these vehicles. When we get to the other side, you will see that they are also waiting for us. Once it's clear on the other side, the two communicates with the radio. And the one who is in charge of this side will remove that stop sign and will allow us to go. That's why they call it stop and go. So the other on the other side will remove that go sign and display a stop sign on their side so that all the other vehicles must know that they must stop. As you see, there is the other lady holding a red flag so that one has to slow down and stop. So I think we came across 3 of them, if not more. Sometimes you have to, get out of the car, stretch a bit, try to get some snacks, because of you're going to wait. When they say 20 minutes plus, you can wait for 30 minutes. You can wait for an hour. I think an hour is a bit of a stretch, but it depending on the traffic on the other side. That's why they decided to say 20 plus. You see now? It's a green light for us now. We are ready to go. There we go. They removed that stop sign. Then I just want to show you how it works. You see the sign there? It shows us that we have to keep to our left. That means they're fixing the right hand side of the road. No overtaking, as you saw the temporary sign. We have to drive 60, not above. It's also a temporary road sign. Because of the color is yellow. Once it's yellow and black, it's a temporary, because they're busy fixing the road. Yeah, and sometimes the way things are, you will have to drive on top of the yellow lane or the yellow line. It's not a problem. See that gentleman right there, reminding us that we shouldn't speed. We shouldn't drive faster than 60 kilometers per hour. They're also reminding us that we shouldn't overtake. They're also reminding us about our temporary speed limit. You see the gentleman there on the right hand side is busy maintaining the road. There is the other video, I don't know if I deleted it or not, whereby we are just actually driving on top of this yellow line. That's the only space that we have whereby we can all drive. They were busy. See, on this other side, they're all waiting for us. Now the road is open, it's clear now for all of us to do the things we want to do. Yeah, the road is open. It just allows you now to enjoy the trip.